Hello friends, you are welcome in Minded channel where you can online learn graphics, animation, editing and various art and craft activities. Friends, I am Pradeep Kumar Gupta from the Department of Animation, College of Computing Sciences and Information Technology, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. Friends, we are doing the tutorials on the Maya file system. In the previous tutorials, I told you how to apply Maya file system on a surface or a polygon surface. Today I will discuss about how you can apply maps on the various attributes of the Maya. We will do this experiment on the baldness attribute of the Maya file. Okay, so let's open the Maya and proceed further. Okay friends, let's start. Open the Maya and go to the file menu, start a new file. Save the file with the name as per your need. I am saving the file with the name fur. We will start by creating a polyplane. Drag on the plane is created. We are turning it to the center. Now I will edit the plane properties. Fix the size. I am maintaining both the dimensions similar and increasing the number of the segments by 25 on both the axes. So there are 625 polygons in this plane. Now by selecting this, friends, you will find a fur menu in the menu bar. If this fur menu is not visible to you, then go to the plugin managers. Inside the window menu, you will find plugin manager and check the box in front of the Maya fur.ml. Okay, if this box is not checked, you will not find the fur menu in the menu bar. When we click on the fur, we see various attributes and the controls of the fur over here. We will use them one by one. Further, we will create a new fur description by clicking on the create new fur description. But instead of the apply fur from this point, I will use a fur preset which you can find inside the shelf menu bar. In the shelf menu bar, you will find a shelf named fur in which many fur presets are present. I am going to apply any one of them. So let's start with the grass. I have applied here the grass and you can see grass filaments are available on the my surface now. Render it. These seems to be very loose. Now I will edit the properties of this fur. Go to the attribute editor and set some attributes as I told you in the previous tutorial. First of all, we will set the density, map size, fur length, etc. In this render, you see that the fur is very loose. If I increase the density by 10 times, you will find it seems to fine now. Okay. Now we will work on the baldness. We are directly going to the baldness. Right click on the baldness attribute. You see the baldness value is 0.6 now. If we increase the value to the 1, we will find the more dense hairs, and if we decrease the value to 0, there will be no fur on the surface. I have made some maps here, which I am showing you here. One is the text, black welcome text on the white background. In another you will see white welcome text on the black background, and in the third one you will see white welcome text on the gray background. Again go to the Maya and change the baldness value. You see the value is 0.6, and if you decrease the value to the 0, you will find no fur is there, and if you increase the value up to the 1, you will find a lot of the fur here. Actually, white color indicate 1 value and black color indicate 0 value. So when the color is black, where is the color is black, you will find no fur. Now I am applying texture on it. Right click and assign a new texture here. When you click on this button, a new window pop up. We will apply a file 2D textures, and 2D textures I will apply for file. Now it will ask for the address of the file which is available on my desktop. I am applying first file in which black text is applied on the white background. Okay, now apply. Oh no, you see there is no change happened here. What I will do now, actually the texture which I applied is not baked, so I have to bake this texture. Baking means fixing the texture permanently on any attribute. Here you have to choose the attribute on which you are baking the texture, and thereafter I have to work on the baldness. So I will choose baldness here and click on the next button. I am changing the size of the map to the 1024 by 1024. I have already explained you about this in the previous tutorial. More the resolutions, more the fine map will be created. Now I am baking the texture. Okay, as I bake, you find some part of the grass is missing. Actually, these are those parts where I was having the black text, and you can see the black part is without the fur and the white part is with the fur. Actually, I am trying to create a doormat which you see in your home oftenly, on which a welcome text or some greeting is written. I am changing the texture once again. Click on the file name, and I am going to change with the white text on black background, and once again I will bake the texture. Unless you are baking it again, you will not see the change. The changes are applied after the bake only. Okay, now it seems fine. You see the white part of the welcome text is now showing grass, and the black part of the texture having no grass. If I want to apply some grass on this part also, suppose I want to create some more grass on the bald part. You know what is the baldness? In Hindi you call baldness as ganjapan. The more the bald, less the hairs, less the baldness, more the hairs. So in the white part you find no baldness, and the black part you find full baldness. Now I am applying third texture, which was having white grass, white welcome text on the grey background. Here you will find in the grey part the grass is less, and in the white part grass is more dense. So you can decide the density of the grass with the color of the texture. If you are applying grey color, you will find the stage between the 1 and 2, 0 and 1. Now we will do one more experiments. We will apply two fur system at one time. I am changing it to the, once again, white welcome text on the black and make it again. Test the render now. What you will find? This condition. Now I will apply a new fur system on this blank part of the polygon surface. Once again, I select the polygon and apply a new fur system. You can see the fur is applied in whole of the surface, and the green part also have some fibers of the new fur system. I am changing some attribute to make it more visible. We will change the color of this fur so that it may be clearly differentiate between the, we are applying red and orange color over here. And check the render now. Wonderful. Now it's looking more and more beautiful. But you still find that the red color fibers are also present on the polygons which are having the green fibers. So I will apply one more texture map on the new fur system, and in this I will apply black welcome text on the white background. What it will do? Now all the red fibers will be removed from the welcome text. Here again I am setting the map size. Now you can see the red fibers are absent from the polygons where the green fibers are available, and it will give you more fantastic result. Let's check the render. Okay friends, so this was the tutorial on the application of the texture map over the baldness attribute. You can apply such type of the textures and map on various attributes, suppose length, curl, inclination, etc. In the next tutorial we will apply the first system on a organic model such as animal or human body. Dear friends, hope you like this tutorial. If you like this, and subscribe my channel, and also click on the notification icon, that is bell icon, so that you can get the notification of all my upcoming videos. Okay, thanks again.